For my project, I did a blog online about my experience in Germany when I was studying abroad, and I compared it to the American culture and put down some similarities and differences. I targeted each post that I wrote that are interesting topics for the age group, the middle school students, and they were incorporated in the social studies class. I wrote to them about Christmas in Germany, which they really liked. They do things a little bit differently, and it's more of a bigger celebration than here. My mentor was very helpful. You need to be able to go to your mentor when you have problems and things like that, and be able to talk to her about everything. I remember one time I was getting a bit stuck on what to write about, or what the kids might be interested in, or topics that I should cover. So I really had to be patient with the emails and that kind of support. Going for my gold will help me in my college career. It was a big commitment, and you need to be self-motivated. Every new experience that I went through, they were going through it with me, and that's what they really liked. I think that every Girl Scout should try to pursue their gold project. You need to complete this project by yourself, and it's a big deal. You really need to push through and realize that the end result is worth it.